Okay, these are the items I got for the dollar store for the green bean casserole. We're going to have 3 cans of green beans. I got one that's 50% sodium, and the other one I just got is regular. 1 can of cream of mushroom soup. We're going to use some milk and 1 bag of the crispy onions. All right, I'm going to start off by programming the oven to 350 degrees to warm up the oven. Okay, I'm going to start by taking the can of mushroom soup. So we're putting that in the bowl. And then I'm going to combine that with the milk. We'll stir that together. Then I'm going to strain the green beans. And we'll add them to this mixture. Then we're going to go ahead and mix this one together. I'm going to take my bowl. This is a 2.5 quart bowl. I'm going to spray that with the dollar store canola oil. Then we're just going to go ahead and pour this in here. Then we're going to go ahead and bake this one 350 degrees for 30 minutes. Okay, I pulled the casserole from the oven, and there you go. We're just going to stir it. Then we're going to put some of the chips on top. These are the crispy onion chips. And we're going to put it back in the oven to cook for 5 more minutes. And here's our completed casserole. Does that smell good? There you go. There's our green bean casserole brought to you by the dollar store. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoy the recipe.